yo le di las instrucciones en el camerino. Quiero que esta pelea sea limpia, obedezca mis instrucciones. ¿Ok? Good fight.
The Puerto Rican fans didn't cheer Marquez because of the Puerto Rican-Mexican contrast. Oh, that's Mrs. Donaire, Rachel Donaire.
And ito po, we're waiting for round number 1. Nonito Donaire, the little Tyson, Hernan Marquez of Mexico. Book, round number 1.
Donaire is starting off with the southpaw stance.
Ito nga sinasabi natin, ang strength ni Donaire, the flexibility of this young man.
Yeah, he wants to catch Marquez by surprise.
Right now, he's fighting southpaw.
Magandang tactical yan.
Pagkalaban mo si Donaire, para ka nasa isang chess match. Hindi mo alam kung ano ang kanyang piyesang igagalaw. Before you know it, mati ka na. This is for the WBA Interim Super Flyweight Championship. Ibig po sabihin yan, interim panandalian. Sapagkat ang regular na kampiyon is incapacitated to defend the title. Ay ang generally recognized Super Flyweight Champion Ronnie, si Victor Chinyan. Kaya pilit na inaayos ni Donaire yung laban na yun. Pero hindi matuloy-tuloy.
Si Donaire, you know, he's a difficult fighter to fight. Ibang estilo niya. Tingnan mo, ngayon he's fighting southpaw. So medyo confused si Marquez. He prepares for an orthodox fighter. The first thing he sees is a southpaw.
Ganito po kagaling itong bata natin. He is fighting as a southpaw right now.
Palagay ko Hernan Marquez will try to work to the body, try to come inside and work to the body. Pero mahirapan siya kasi you have to get behind the jab of Donaire.
That is the only way for Marquez. Pag ganito pong distance fight, medyo dehado po ang maliit na boksingero. He has to get inside.
Yeah.
Perhaps pound the body to slow down Donaire. Donaire is really a slow starter. No?
Yes, he is.
He size you up. Minimeasure ka muna niya. Very clinical ang approach nitong si Filipino Flash Donaire.
Pagkatapos yung thinking fighter niya, may utak na ito si Donaire. I mean, he does not rush into anything.
Walang bara-bara.
Bara-bara.
Marunong mag-pacing. That's the Filipino Flash. Who I believe next to Manny Pacquiao is the most skilled, the most highly skilled fighter we have right now.
Pero there's nobody like Manny Pacquiao. Marquez is trying to get a little aggressive there inside.
And the two fighters sizing each other up.
Normally, ganyan ang estilo ni Nonito Donaire. Early rounds, he'll try to size you up. Tingnan mo, ginawa siya sa Gachinian. You know, he sized him up and then put him away in the 5th round.
And that was also a solid left that knocked the daylights out of Big Darchinian. And you can see Donaire is just waiting for Tyson Marquez to make a mistake to recklessly lunge in. On his right hand by Marquez. Good exchange with both men.
Good right hand by Donaire, but a good right encounter by Marquez.
Good exchange to end round number 1.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Round number 2 coming up. Let's see whether Donaire will stay with yung mga southpaw or whether he'll move to orthodox.
Number 2 for the WBA Interim Super Flyweight Championship. At yan po ang ating unofficial scorecard brought to you by Manila Beer under the 10-point must system. Yes, para kay Donaire, 9 naman para kay Marquez.
Kasi walang even rounds dito. You cannot score an even round.
Hanggat maaari, iniiwasan natin. Ano? Although there could be situations na maaaring tabla talaga ang laban, but right now, arangkada po si Donaire sa opening round.
Si Donaire continuing to fight mga southpaw stance niya.
Si Donaire po ay natural right-hander. Ano?
Aha.
Ngayon, pag ang jumajab po ay kanan, sineset up yung kaliwa, he is fighting as a southpaw. So far, so good. Merong mild exchange nung end of round number 1.
Kasi yung Donaire, ginamit yung mga reach advantage niya sa height and reach advantage. He's waiting for Marquez to come in. He wants to counter. Yun ang estilo. Yun ang ginawa sa Big Darchinian. Good
Big
counter.
exchange. Pero nakita ko parang lalakas na suntok kung nagkakatamaan sila. Very patient fighter. Look at that jab.
Si Tyson Marquez gusto mo pasok pero mahirapan siya.
Hihirapan siya kasi malikot si Donaire. And Marquez appears to be a little hesitant to take the chance. At least not early in this fight. Parang napakaaga pa para sa kanyang ika nga marantada.
Good body shot by Marquez para makanta yung counter ni Donaire.
Kailangan ni Marquez ng konting body punch, mga kaibigan, sapagkat that's the only way para medyo bumagal itong si Nonito Donaire. Right now, parang ginagawang target practice.
So yun.
Yung po mga kanang jab. Beautiful left by Donaire.
And a right. Yung timing medyo off. The timing ng Donaire. Pero yung maganda yung kaliwa niya.
Ang alin talaga ng jab, permanente. Lagi nakapaskil doon sa mukha ni
Si Marquez.
Tyson Marquez. Donaire, of course, grew up in General Santos. Relocated po siya sa California at age 7. He has 2 brothers, 1 sister. Yung kanyang natatandang kapatid, si Glenn Donaire.
Glenn Donaire.
Boxingero din po. In fact, lost to Vic Darchinian
Yeah.
several years ago in the battle for the Super Flyweight Championship. Good left.
Marquez trying to come in. Donaire trying to counter. Yun ang strategy ni Donaire. Itong laban na itong counter.
Si Marquez naman ay pigil pa po ang atake sapagkat medyo paleko nalilito siya sa stance. Hindi niya inakalang ganito ang magiging stance. End of the round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.